Today we're diving into a flavor-packed journey with a dish that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Korean ground beef bowls. Think of it as a savory adventure with a kick of spice, perfect for impressing your taste buds and anyone lucky enough to be at your dinner table. Now, let's get cooking. First up, we've got our star of this show, 1 pound of ground beef. Now, don't be shy with this. It's here to steal the spotlight. Start by cooking the ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Break it apart with a spoon and let it brown and cook all the way through. This is the part where your kitchen starts smelling like a dream. Drain any excess fat because nobody likes a greasy beef bowl. We're classy here. While the beef is doing its thing, let's whip up a sauce that's going to make you want to dance. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of gochujang. Remember, adjust the gochujang to your heat preference. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes if you're feeling adventurous. I always say, life's too short for bland food, am I right? Now, pour that gorgeous sauce over the cooked beef. Stir it all together so every little piece of beef is coated in that spicy, sweet, garlicky goodness. Let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is where the magic happens. The flavors start to meld together, creating a harmony that'll make your taste buds sing. Alright, let's talk rice. I'm making mine in my trusty rice cooker because why complicate things? I'm using 3 cups of jasmine rice with 3 cups of water and a pinch of salt. Oh, and don't forget to rinse the rice to remove that excess starch. Trust me, it makes all the difference for that perfect, fluffy texture. Spoon the beef over a bowl of cooked rice. Sprinkle with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. And don't forget those optional toppings, sliced cucumbers, shredded carrots, or kimchi. They add a great crunch and extra flavor. This is so good. It's like a flavor explosion in your mouth. Remember, you can adjust the spice level by playing around with the gochujang. Start with 1 tablespoon and add more if you're brave. Trust me, this dish is worth every spicy bite. And there you have it, folks. A delicious, easy Korean ground beef bowl that's perfect for any night of the week. For the full recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Happy cooking and see you next time.